Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, plug the PC into AC and keep it powered. Unexpected shutdowns make recovery worse. Next, force the Windows Advanced options by holding Shift while you click Restart or repeatedly press F8/Shift plus F8 during boot. Once you see the recovery environment, write down the error text and recall recent installs or driver updates. This helps you choose the right repair path. Make sure to choose Troubleshoot first, so you can access advanced tools without any USB. Once in Advanced Options, run Startup Repair. It automatically fixes common boot files and configuration errors. If that fails, use System Restore to roll back to a stable point. This undoes recent problematic changes without erasing personal files. Make sure to run Command Prompt if automated tools stall. Execute chkdsk/f on the system drive to fix disk errors, then run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. These commands address underlying file and disk problems. After file repairs, repair the bootloader using Command Prompt. Run bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to restore Windows boot entries. This often resolves recovery loop errors. If boot still fails, use Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files first, and only choose Remove Everything as a last resort. If you encounter persistent errors, record the error codes and test RAM or drive health. Hardware faults mimic software recovery errors and must be ruled out before repeated reinstalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.